Hello everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Pawpaw. Hey, it's been a while since I've been out in the woods and broke out my crossbow. So yeah, I know a lot of people are going to be like, you shoot a crossbow? Well, when you have 2 shoulder surgeries and you still want to go hunt, that's what sometimes a person's got to do. All right, don't hold it against me. You know, I love the outdoors. So I'm gonna break out this crossbow in quite some time. Last year, I don't even think I shot it. I checked over the limbs. Limbs look good. Cables, I got new cables and new strings put on it. Everything looks good. But let me get this thing cocked back and we'll check the timing on it before I shoot it. Now, for those of you, I'm shooting Parker, which is now out of business, a Tornado F4. I really love this bow, this crossbow. But as you can see, all the limbs are all in good shape. Strings and cables are in good shape. I lubed everything up. So let's get it cocked back and we'll check out the timing. Now there it is, all cocked back. Now let's check out the timing. Yeah, let's see. The right cam, that's the angle. Left cam, that's the angle. They look pretty good to me. Timing looks good. They look about the same. They look even. Might be a little bit off on the left if I'm looking at it. The left one looks a little high. I might have to put this on a press. That's going to cause me to shoot either right or left the further out I go. All right, let's check it out. Hey, I'm going to be shooting at a bag target. It's a lot easier to pull out than the block or anything because this thing shoots pretty fast. And when the arrow or the bolt goes in the foam, it kind of melts around the arrow or the bolt, and it just makes it really hard to pull out. So let me show you what I'm shooting into. That's what I'm shooting into, is a bag target. It will pull out real easy. So it's a target, and right now I'm set up at 20 yards. Okay, as you can see, I'm shooting a little left of center. I'm gonna try to adjust that. Okay, I moved it 10 clicks to the right. Center one was my first shot. That's my second shot off to the right. That's my third shot off to the right. So what I'm going to end up doing, the first shot probably settled in the scope. Now the second two, it's settled in just a little bit too far to the right. I'm going to move it back probably 2 clicks, 2 or 3 clicks. All right, I'm pretty sure I got it dialed in. There's 30 yards. A lot of this is going to be due to old age and me moving. So as long as I'm like within that little, is that about 4-inch circle, I'm good. This one's a little off, but I know I moved on that one. So, I mean, I'm shooting the same out to 40 yards. So the closer I get, I'll be in the red dot. So that's just me moving around. So I'm all set. Sighted in. I'll be in the woods tomorrow. Thanks for watching Adventures with Pawpaw. Stay tuned for the next one. The next one, I'm hopefully be dragging something out.